spend my days being ready to go. I have lived my life on the road.
And just like that, 4 days, 2 deliveries in 4 days. This is the Cougar. I didn't show it to you when I picked it up. I got lucky because I got that at the same place I just delivered to. I love hauling these little 26 or 28 foot Cougars. This one's a 26 foot. So most of the time I'm hauling 28 footers, but you know, now what are we gonna do? Well, I got one of my favorite rest areas that's 4 hours away. So we're gonna get there. We're gonna get some food. In fact, we're gonna cook on the Ninja Grill tonight. So I'm gonna share that with you. And I'm gonna give you some numbers. I'm gonna give you the numbers. Total payment for 4 days, total money I put in the bank account, and where we're setting and what we're gonna do next. And I'm also gonna share something about this job that maybe I haven't shared ever or in a long time, about my favorite part of this job. Something that people don't talk about and something that's taken for granted that you really need to experience and understand. And loving my bed extenders. I'm gonna do a full video about those things, talking about those things and sharing that with you. So let's get back on the road. It's William, and yes, he's back. He's cooking some food, yes. What am I having? I'm having a cheeseburger, well, hamburger with mozzarella and pastrami on top. I mean, yeah, I got a thing for that pastrami stuff, but my pastrami's already done and my burger's still cooking. So I guess I should have not put that on so fast, but you know what? It's a beautiful day out here. I don't have any bad weather. So I think that we're good. So we'll just cover that up like that. Not really any bugs out here, so that's a good thing. We'll get that burger going. I told you, I'm not gonna force you to watch me eat the food, because in the past people have said, William, I don't wanna see that, okay? But just letting you know, I mean, look at the truck. This truck has everything. I pop down, and my Ninja plugs right in, right here, to my solar power. Actually, my solar generator and all that stuff. So I don't even have to start that generator. That generator is just backup in case something else happens. But I'm not out here making a bunch of noise. I'm just enjoying life. Okay, so let's recap a little bit. We've been out here for 4 days now. We delivered 2 loads. We got lucky with the reload right out of the place that we delivered at. We already delivered that. We made it to this rest area. Heck, I might even take a shower here. I got a great spa. I'll pop up the shower. I'll do a video about that too. Show you how good that thing works, okay? Maybe, we'll see. But I was thinking, should I drive all the way back to Indiana? If I do, I'm gonna run out of hours right there and I'm gonna have to do a reset in Indiana. I don't do resets in Indiana. Maybe I'll go camping and goof off. That's my plan. I'm just gonna go camping, have fun, make some videos, and then do my reset, then go into Indiana, grab my load, come back out, and then out here again, deliver and do it. But then I started thinking, wait a minute, William. You scored that reload. Could you score a couple more? I did. I found 2 more reloads that are gonna make it so I can finish it in my 70 hours, have 4 loads in 70 hours, and then we'll have the total of what we made and what we spent. Now, why am I doing this? Back in the past, when fuel was real cheap, I told people do the reloads and you made good money. But now, since the fuel prices are higher, you gotta be smart. I tell people, don't go out of your way. Here I'm telling them, don't go out of your way, right? And I'm thinking, I'm gonna go 5 hours out of my way just to see if this was the better way to go. Because when I'm done here by Monday night, I can look back and go, 70 hours, this much money. What if I'd have drove back to Indiana, all right, did my reset, left out of there Monday night or something, and then drove all the way out west for 3 more days to make that big paycheck? We're gonna see, but my plans are to give you the best information that I can. So as these videos go, you're gonna see how much I made, what I spent, what I got left over, and see if you can make any money at this. But you know what? When I told you earlier I was gonna tell you about my favorite thing about this lifestyle, it's not all about the money. It's about the experiences. It's about cooking your food in a rest area parking stop in your kick-ass truck, you know, on a beautiful sunny day. Life is good, okay? But my favorite thing about this job is I get to make the decisions on what I want to do. Do you know every other job that I had out there, even if it was something like traveling and they were paying me to do deliveries and stuff, every time that I got to some family members or places that I wanted to hang out or do something, they were calling me, bugging me, saying, hey, William, can you go do this? Nobody bugs me with this job. I work when I want to work, I work how I want to work, and I do it when I want to do it, okay? And if I shut down and I'm done and I want to go goof off or go to Vegas gambling for 3 days, whatever I want to do, nobody's bothering me. As soon as I'm ready to go back to work, I open up that app and I go back to work. That is the best part about this job, especially if you like to travel and see things and get paid. Or, like I say in all my other videos, you have a little bit of retirement, but not enough to do everything you want. This is what makes the difference, okay? So right now, Robin said, hey, are you just gonna go goof off and camp? Because I know you wanted to go hiking and do some stuff. I said, yeah, but I just started this 30-day journey. Let's build up a little bit of money first so that if I wanna spend it on something stupid, right? Yeah, don't let her see this part of the video. She's gonna text me and say, oh, no, you're not. All right, gotta have fun with that. I thought, you know what? I wanna work. So I got on the load board and I started checking out loads. I found me 2 more loads and I'm gonna squeeze them in. I'm not gonna tell you where I'm going yet because we might just stay out west the whole 30 days. I've done it in the past, and then I've heard from other people that they've been doing it lately, and then I heard that there wasn't any loads, and then it dries up from time to time, but maybe this is my time. If you watch my earlier videos, Robin can put it down in the link below, 30,000 in 30 days. I didn't make the 30,000, but I did really, really good, and I quit a little early. Am I gonna make 30,000? Am I gonna bill 30,000? Let's get that right, because that pissed people off too. Am I gonna bill 30,000 this time? I doubt that. If I bill 20,000, I'm gonna be happy. You know what? But that's not what this is about. This is about showing you the real life, the things that people don't understand, how you make this work. First of all, you're not gonna win at this job if you don't have your truck set up. If your truck is not set up like mine, and you're not out here getting everything out of your truck so you're not wasting any money, I mean, and you're making your own food, you know, this is how this works. This is why I have lots of money left over and why I can keep fixing my truck up and doing more things. Yes, people do send me free stuff, but I buy a lot of stuff for this truck too, and a lot of that free stuff I give away. Does it help? Yes. If you got a product out there that you think will work for pickup truck life and what I'm doing, you're gonna see it in these videos. These next 20 videos, you're gonna see what I'm doing on the road. And if you think you got something out there that will help this industry or make it better for people, and you wanna send it to the Riverstone line, just reach out, theriverstonelife@gmail.com, and we'll do that for you. My food is almost done, so let's give you these numbers real quick, okay? Just so you have something to think about here. Now remember, if I stopped working right now and decided to drive all the way back to Indiana, I'm gonna waste $400 in fuel. That $400 is gonna have to come off that money, but I can grab another one and go do it again, okay? If you take these numbers, times them times 4, I mean, that's what's doable, okay? If you're better at the fuel prices, if you find good fuel, where I'm going to do the reloads is where all my guys keep telling me that good, cheap fuel's at. So we're gonna find out if that cheap fuel's there, because I'm kind of banking on it that they're right, okay? But, okay. These 2 loads, 4 days, right here, cooking my cheeseburger, $4,283.60 is what I billed. That's what Wave paid me. That's not what I put in my pocket. As of right now, this is what I put in my pocket, $3,035.97. If I waste another $400 or $500 driving back to Indiana, do it all over again, I put $2,500 in my pocket. What did I do? I made some videos, I met some people, I slept comfortable in my bed. I had a lot of fun. I made the food I wanted to do. I did what I wanted to do, and I put $2,500, okay? Is that a lot? No, with the fuel prices and stuff, it's better than nothing, okay? But what am I gonna do right now? I'm gonna do 2 more reloads, so that number's gonna get better. So we're gonna look at this in a couple more days, and we'll give you those numbers and see what I did. And like I said, I might stay out here for the whole 30 days. And in 30 days, we'll know what my numbers are. We'll know exactly what I was paid and exactly what I put in the bank, right? And then you can determine if this is for you, okay? Are you guaranteed success? No, you're not guaranteed success. If you do not have your truck set up and you're wasting all your money in hotels and you're not, okay. I got to tell you this for a second, because this is other thing people don't talk about. When I go to bed at night and I'm getting 6 or 8 hours of sleep and I wake up and feel like a new man, that's why I'm able to stay on top of my loads, getting reloads, doing videos, and staying on top of the game and turning this into a lot of money, is because I'm go, 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 but I feel good. If you are smashed ass in this lifestyle, sleeping in an air mattress or sleeping in your seat setting up, and you wonder why your numbers are not like my numbers or some of the other people that do this job, is because we are set up to make this work. We have the equipment, all right? You're gonna buy that truck? Buy a truck reasonable enough where you can go and put all this stuff in your truck and make it happen. You see what I mean? Stop paying other people to do it. You're putting yourself so far behind, you're putting yourself on stress, and then when you go grab that first load, all you're thinking about is, how am I gonna get some of that money back? I spent so much. I didn't do that. I started out, I roughed it a little bit, but things were different. Prices were higher, fuel was cheaper. I was able to stay in hotels and stuff and make it work. Right now, you gotta watch those hotels. You need to sleep in your truck. This is what it's about. It's about pickup truck life. It's about the adventure. I mean, you've gotta be seeing it in these videos. I mean, and the video's done, because you know what? It's time for me to eat my pastrami and mozzarella cheese. A lot of people don't put mozzarella cheese on their cheeseburgers. It's my favorite one, but and pastrami, whatever kind of stuff you want to throw on top of that thing, just happens to be one of my favorites. So I don't know. I'll be making another video tomorrow. We'll be talking about more stuff, so we'll just keep this all going. Tell me what you think. If you like the channel, subscribe, hit the bell notifications, all that fun stuff. Go down in the description if you want to do this job. Just keep watching the videos and find out if I made any money in these 30 days or if I went completely crazy living in that truck for 30 days. We'll find out, right? How do we end the videos?